and today we will be making a smoothie that fills you up for your day.
And by that, you don't have to eat more.
And the smoothie is
a blueberry banana smoothie with soy milk.
So let's start with the ingredients. The smoothie contains 250 grams of fresh blueberries, 1 large ripe banana, soy milk, vanilla cereal, flaxseed oil, and a little grated lemon zest.
Well,
so we start with pouring blueberries, banana, cereal, vanilla cereal, into the bowl.
Add a bit of soy milk.
Blend your smoothie so it has nice consistency.
And then we're gonna add the oil. So add it in, and
we're gonna add the lemon zest. And then we're gonna blend it all over again. We blend it properly, and now it looks like this. Nice
color.
Smoothie into a glass, and we're gonna ask 1 or 2 testers to rate our smoothie.
My sister, she's going to taste our smoothie. Har du lyst til at smage vores smoothie?
Ja. Den smager godt, og jeg kunne drikke den hver dag.
Det var da dejligt. Føler du dig mæt efter du har drukket den, eller har du lyst til at drikke mere?
Ja, jeg bliver mæt af den, og den er rigtig sund.
Var det sådan en, du kunne drikke sådan hver dag til som snack?
Ja.
Uden at blive træt af den?
Ja.
Det var det godt. Ved du, hvordan man laver den?
Nej.
Then watch our video. Good.